Hey everyone, my name is Sahil, and in today's video, we'll talk about parallel groove connectors, also called PG clamps. In this video, we will cover what is a PG clamp, the different types of PG clamps that are available in the market and their application. Why should you listen to me? At Axis, we have been manufacturing a wide range of clamps and connectors for the past 30 years. You will find our clamps installed in overhead lines and utility scale applications around the world. Now let's understand what exactly a PG clamp is. PG clamps are used to connect two or more conductors whose axes are parallel to each other. PG clamps are designed and installed to ensure that the conductors don't come in direct contact with each other. When conductors are connected directly without a proper connecting mechanism, there will be increased electrical resistance at the contact points. This results in heat buildup and energy loss. Hence, to avoid such harmful electrical discharge in earthing applications, in distribution and in transmission lines, a PG clamp is crucial. Let's briefly understand how this clamp is installed. A PG clamp is made by joining two parts. These spaces here are called the grooves, and the grooves are parallel to each other, which is why it's simply called a parallel groove clamp. Now, let me show you how to use this clamp. In this case, you can see a code over here showing A16120, where A stands for axis and 16 to 120 means a conductor within a range of 16 to 120 mm square can fit inside these grooves. Before moving ahead to the different types of clamps, make sure you are installed about the latest product installation techniques, the different application and updates on the electrical industry. Subscribe to our weekly newsletter. You will find the link in the comments. Now, let's discuss the different types of PG clamps. They're usually classified by the material they're made out of, such as aluminium, brass, or galvanized steel. These clamps face high electrical and mechanical stresses based on their application. So let's talk about their types with respect to their applications. Starting with the Aluminium PG clamp. This PG clamp is mostly used on aluminium power conductors for power distribution and transmission, ranging from low to high voltage up to 220 kV applications, depending upon the designs and specifications. They are designed to connect two conductors in parallel to accept a tap connection. There are different types available in the market like single, double and 3-bolt clamps. The types vary depending on the size and current carrying capacity of the conductor. An aluminium PG clamp is used when both conductors are made out of aluminium. But if one of them is made out of copper, then you need a bimetallic PG clamp, because when two different metals are in contact for a long time, they can cause dissimilar metal corrosion. Bimetallic clamps help solve this problem by having a copper side of the clamp. This copper to aluminium joining of the clamp is done using friction welding. As a result of the friction welding, dissimilar metal corrosion is avoided. Bimetallic clamps also come in different sizes and bolt types, just like the aluminium clamps. This one here, as you can see, is a 3-bolted clamp. Next, let's talk about the brass PG clamp. These clamps are made out of brass or bronze and are primarily used for earthing and lightning protection applications. They're designed to securely hold two copper conductors on both sides, ensuring a stable connection. A quick question for all of you. How would you check the quality of your PG clamp? I would look at a couple of aspects of my clamps. The first being the thickness. Thickness determines the current carrying capacity of the clamp. If the clamp is too thin for the application, it won't handle the mechanical and the electrical load properly. This can lead to overheating, deformation, or even failure under load. The second is corrosion. Corrosion can lead to increased electrical resistance, causing heat buildup and potential failure. It also weakens the mechanical strength of the clamp, leading to breaks or cracks. One technique adopted to avoid corrosion is tin plating. Also known as tinning, it's an industrial process where the surface of the metal object is coated with a thin layer of tin. This plating helps resist corrosion and ensures good electric performance. I hope you now have a good understanding of PG clamps and their role in electrical safety. At Axis, we have a team of 50+ engineers who are ready to support your next project that involves clamps, slugs and connectors, or any other kind of hardware or connectors. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about electrical engineering.